سلام كمي تخونوا كمي اللهم تاريخ عند اللهم anyway أحواتكم تياب رئيستي تري وزر اللهم أبز حلفة almost ناي حدا ساعات يخون إيران قبل علي إسرائيل متقعتي جيرا متقعتي ني قبر ملسي إيه بالله خيات بزلا قبر ملسي ناي leader وكا ناصر الله ናይ ህዝብላ ሓላፊ ብማቱ ወይ ከዓ ብምቕታሉ ብኢራን ብእስራኤልስ ንዑ ግብረ መልሲ ይገብር ኣሎ ክእት ብዘላ እንታይ እቲ ሕቶ ንዝብል ግን ካልእ እውን ትማሊ ጀመረ ሎማዓንቲ ንጉሆ ጀመረ ብእጋር ናይ እስራኤል ወታደራት ናብ ህዝብላ ናብ ናይ ኩሉ ሳውዘርን ኦፍ ሊባኖን ይኣትዉ ከም ዘለዉ እዩ እስከነቢ ኣላ ሕጂ በን ክትሕዞ ኩሉ መጨበጢ የብሉን ኣሕዋት እዚ alright إذن بقى يخدنا نزل حتى خن ملسنا قصيلنا نبتنا إيران تقبل ذلا بلع إسرائيل كسب هجي سفر كسب ذا ساعة زيا كسب ذا هجي نيوس قبل ملسي قبل نزلا قبل متقعتها قبل نزلا قلنتي نقرات كندي ميتم كندي انتهيت ما خنا لا تقبل على زبل قبل ملسات أي قبلتن قنعو تكرهر الله أمريكا تمالي بزحات وتادرات تسعين من أبخيدهم ميدل إيست قالوا تادراتون بتحرموا له هوتي بيمن دبداب تقبر الله so look this Israel okay Houthi Yemen تمال دبداب غيرا alright Hezbollah Hamas Iran okay it's going a lot alright هجزي نابي يخمر حنان زبل راشا تمالي تراخيبهم مسنا إسرائيل sorry مسنا إيران أمريكا وتهدرات هذه مسائلات سدد الله alright let's cap all this alright نبت صورة كيرمو إذا كلهم ترى فوقن فتنينا so that's why إحوات نجوه كابتم ناي حبار member زلنا كا محلال فلان زي what looks like تي why stock market نا drop gear ويكا economy نا drop gear نزبل حتى that's the problem عليه alright Iran launches gear على تي the bridge of missiles at Israel تي look تي إحوات رأيوه let me show you some of this انتي مثل خمس من المسألة تارجرا من
יהיו לירי הזה השלכות. יש לנו תוכניות, אנחנו נפעל במקום ובזמן שנחליט.
يا TPF من السناق So isn't garage how they said BARRAGE okay so is this نابي قص يخمر إحنا زبل كلنا هنرينا حبيرنا مالتي so far جن بزح أصلا after killing تجبر ملسي جبر كم زلوا خياس بزلا نتي still نتي حلافي ويكانا يهزب الله نصر الله بماتو ناتو جبر ملسي أتجبر زلا estimate almost about 180 مثال السرير الله أن زي نبكال وار ويكا wider زخون وار انتاي جبرالو يعبي الله ويكا حلف الله كل ميدل إيست أبحنا الله بساعات زي after إسرائيل مقتالو نتناي حزب الله مراحي so ناي عندنا إسرائيل ميليتاري خاص signaled أبتي ناي لبنان بون كم زلوا لما عنتون إيش يكون زخونة صحف سريرنا نيرنا حوات إذ كله that looks like this Israel still one hand متقعد خمسة جبرات يزحبر زل according to Wall Street Journal as of now it doesn't didn't do nothing مالتيو so نبتي كال 3:39 p.m. مالتيو still yes قدمي سلسلة تحبر ولا حنت يلن let's go to other source نبتي x كنكيد نحوات let me see in time السل so is this comes in as حلفة you know كباب 350 سردته كم أودو يخون زخ يباخندو ويون you know dismantle يقبروا ده نزبل حتى خرينا let's get this still تحضر نجار أمريكا زجبرت ولا حنتي لنجن أنت على دل أمريكا we can help you still نتي launch نتي بلاستيك مسالس نعود تطون هنا بلو يا كلنا راح أمريكا وانت إيركم زلواب look this سحوات كرم هل تساعات يا جوان مالت تقبل مرسزي اوكي نت مراحي قتل كيخمو حرايزي الى عند ايران تطويلا كربي نغرات تطوك بلي خالي ابزلو كومون دحر قصيلو جن اس كان بي بطعمي كخبدي ازي ناب كال لكتس احواتنا امنات ناب سالساي كونات عالم نغر زمرح يزمسل دلو دسس مخنياتو راشاون كتحوسا اوكي يمن هوتي لوبتي يمن already Hamas and Hezbollah low then ها إيران ندحر جيرك أمريكا خامة انقطعت هبني رأي yeah I don't know أملاخ بعلو نحرتي وردلن هزبي This is bad. Okay, 2 hours. I hope the. I think so. In this, okay. So, this is the group one. All right, let's go back with this Sam and Tableau, CNN, and then Kali update live in Tableau.
What if I could show you how to turn 26K of trading capital into consistent monthly gains in just 5 minutes a day? Here's how. So
on making sure that there's an understanding as far as potential mission creep, and so as it relates to the broader tensions in the region. But again, we support their right to defend themselves from Hezbollah attacks, and so we'll continue to consult with them on that. As I mentioned, Wafa, ultimately, we do believe that a diplomatic resolution is the only way to achieve lasting stability and security there. A few more, Phil.
Like Air Force Malati, Major General, we gotta support them. Yes, good.
In trying to knock down these Iranian missiles this time than it did in April.
I would compare it to a pallet, Phil. You're going to use the capability that you need to respond to a particular situation. So, as evidenced by the fact that our forces were able to so quickly support Israel's defense, we have a wide range of capabilities arrayed to be able to respond to whatever those threats may be in the most appropriate way possible. So it's less about the platform and it's more about the capability.
As he said, أحوات كسب هيجز خلنا نتمثل نم برعان ولا حنتي سعيد كم زي قبرت زارب زلو still be ناي سعيد بناي إيران sorry بناي إسرائيل راح يزكار زلو. That's what he said. Again, we are ready. لنا نمكل خارج زلو.
Attack U.S. troops. There would be a U.S. response against Iran. At least that's what it sounded like you were saying. Is that correct?
What I said is it should be very clear that if Iran or its proxies use this as an opportunity to attack U.S. forces, we will respond appropriately.
Well, yeah, أقول له متحدرات ميليتارنا as I said military لو متحدرات أمريكا لو خالك no Iran عند حرنا أونجز ምልክታት ጌራ ጥራሕና ንሕና ሬስፖንድ ክንገብር ዘለና እዚ ብዘሎ so it's not involved yes according ካብዚ ንሪኣ ዘለና yes still involved ኣይገበረ I know እቲ መሳርሒ እቲ ፅዋር እቲ ገንዘብ ናይ yes ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ no matter what እቲ ሕጂ as of now ግን he didn't this general he said Air Force general ማለት ባዕላሲ I think so she can handle it እስራኤል ኩልና ንፈልጣ እስራኤል strong ማለት ሕጂ እንታይ እዩ I'm not side at ምዃን ኣይኮነን ኣሕዋት ግን is this necessary well America እንድሕር ኣትያ ካልእ ጠጠው ክብላ ድን Russia ጠጠው ክትብል እያ nowhere okay China ጠጠው ክትብል እያ nowhere so they got to play smart ማለት እዩ they got to play smart ሕጂ ናብ ዝገረደ ናብ ሳልሳይ ኩናት ዓለም ክመርሓና ክእል እዩ እንድሕር ብኣታክ ጌራ
There's been an understandable focus today on the Middle East. Before we conclude, I would like to provide a quick update on a topic closer to home as DoD continues to work with federal, state, and local officials to support Hurricane Helene response efforts. As of this morning, the department has more than 6,500 service members actively engaged in relief efforts across 6 states. Florida has nearly 3,500 guardsmen activated, and Georgia has around 1,400 guardsmen on duty. Has around 130 guardsmen and 7 helicopters activated, and Virginia has activated nearly 60 guardsmen along with 1 helicopter and numerous high water vehicles. Additionally, since the storm passed, North Carolina has emerged as an area of particular focus after the historical levels of flooding that occurred in the western part of that state. A multi-state, multi-agency effort is currently underway.
The general brief is ገብር ዘሎ so it's not ሓጋዚ ኮነና ብሰዓዚ ጥቡቅ ነገር ግን ኢንቮልቭ ኣይገበርናን ይብላ ኣሎ that's a good thing still መሳይል ድርበሎ ኢራን like sorry እስራኤል ባዕላ በይና ትምክቶ ዘላ okay
Contessa Brewer joins us with the very latest. Contessa, what do we know this hour?
We are watching as we speak, Kelly, as there is a missile onslaught against Israel. Explosions reported in the air across the country, and we are literally seeing on Reuters feeds right now incoming fire above Tel Aviv and hearing air raid sirens as well. The Israeli Defense Force confirms it's a barrage of air attacks by Iran.
Yeah, barrage of okay, what is this barrage? Let me say this. Okay, barrage. Okay, okay. Well, missile ማለት በሐፂር okay I just want to understand what is this that barrage missile okay it's kind of missile it's not in use okay all right
On the military has issued orders that civilians have to take shelter upon hearing those air raid sirens. Let's
okay እቲ ህዝቢ ሸልተር ማለት ናብ ሸልተሮም ከኣትሎም አንደርግራውንድ ሸልተር ሲልዋ እስራኤል ከምቲ ህዝቢ ማለት እዩ ያ ኣብኡ ኮፍ ክብል ኣሎ ክቕመጥ ኣለዎ
let's pull up the audio and see if you can get a sense of what they're hearing on the ground right now. In the meantime, as we've been expecting this onslaught, the U.S. Embassy has warned its staff and U.S. government workers to shelter in place. Witnesses have reported
ያ ኩሉ እቲ ህዝቢ ኣሕዋት በዚ ኣጋጣሚ ኣብ እስራኤል ዘለኹም ኩልኹም ማለት እዩ ፕሊስ እቲ ናትኩም ኣሎ ትበሃል ሸልተርኩም ክትጥቀሙ ኣለኩም ማለት እዩ ኣደኖ ኣለኩም ዲ የብልኩም ዲ ዋላ ዩኤስ ኤምባሲ እዩ ሓቢሩ ምክንያቱ እዚ ክንደይ ክውድ እዩ እዚ ትሰዶ ዘላ እዚ ብላስተር ዓይነት ከምዚ ኢሉ ከይዱ ስፋሕ ዝብል ነገር እዩ ከምዚ ላይክ ኣደኖ ቡምባ ምስ ተዓልሞ ፍንጅር ዝብል ከምኡ ዓይነት is very hard ማለት እዩ አንተ በገልፅዎ ሰምዐ ነይረ ያ so እዚ ክውድ ድዩ ማእሲ ክውድ ማእሲ ጠጠው ክብል that's the best okay እስራኤል ገና ወላ ሓንቲ ኣገበረት ዘላ as of now like ባካ ገበረት ዘላ so ንሳንተ ገራ እንተ ገራ ካልእ ናብ ዝገረደ ክመጽ ይኽእል ግን of course you ኢራን ከምዚ ገራ ግብረ መልሲ ከምዚ ሓለፈ ከም ትገብር እስራኤል ካ you guys we should know that ያውን ክትጽበያ ኣለና ማለት እዩ
reported to Reuters that Iranian missiles were intercepted in Jordanian airspace and again what you're seeing now is
Jordanian airspace okay yeah up to Jordanian airspace whatever 9 معلب ማለት
just moments ago in Tel Aviv, but we have reports in Jerusalem and in other cities across the country that there have been explosions
أبعال جرسالم أب كل أبتخبنا بزح نجار يمسل.
spotted there. We are also getting reports in Tel Aviv that there was a shooting of some kind believed to be a terrorist activity of some sort that happened on the ground there.
Wow.
This is, of course, an escalation.
What the صحوات terrorist at Tel Aviv سيز خونه terrorist activity comes a lot like on the ground. Okay.
And of the onslaught that we have seen by Israeli forces against Hezbollah, which have to do with the, rocket strikes outside of the Beirut, Lebanon, the capital city there. We know that there have been ground incursions, limited ground incursions, the military says, across the border with Lebanon. And this onslaught of missile attacks has been anticipated.
ولا كاب بيروت مالت رئيس ختم عنا لبنان كاو خاي ترفيز مس زلو هجي اوف كورس سراويت نايسر على ابتدبكم زلو اتيمكم زلو جراوند قرب حيزمكم زلو ستيل كندي وصلهم خلينا بيروت نفتقعو كانوا حزون حكينهم بمولو تمالي نتن هنزارب نيرو بمولو نت حزبي نحنا نتي سيمبل وورد تزاربي وات حماس حزب الله هوتي يمن نقولهم زيهم هيت تقبرهم كا ايران that's what I say. እዚኦም ነገራት እዚኣቶም ተሮሪስት ኢሉ ብሌም ዝገብሮም ነይሩ ስምዖን እሽተይ ቢደላናቱ ኣሕዋት ሶ ነዚ ኩሉ ነገር እዩ ዕላማ ኦኬ ቤይሩት ወይ ከዓ ልቤናን እንድሕር ርእሲ ከተማ ንዓ እንድሕር ክንደይ ግዜ ወስደሎም ኦን ግራውንድ ክበፅሑ ኣብኡ እንድሕር በፂሖም ሓደ ዕረፍቲ ክረኽቡ ክእሉ ግን ስቲል ሓይሉ ኣሎ ዶ ፓወር ኣሎ ዶ እንድሕር ብኢራን ከዓ ጅምር ኣሎ
We have that from earlier from US sources to NBC News that they were anticipating this. ABC News, quoting an Israeli source and a senior U.S. administration official, said that the onslaught is expected to contain 240 to 250 missiles in 2 waves at 4 different targets in Israel, expected to be military targets and the head of Mossad, not aimed at civilian targets here. Also, the United States has warned Iran
بربعت ነገር እዩ ዝመፅኦም ዘሎ ኣሕዋት like ካብ 250 so far 180 ዓንተ ወርድ ነርና ኢና so before direction ዝተፈላለዩ direction እዩ ዝመጽ ዘሎ እዚ ጉዳይ
there will be severe consequences for this airstrike. We know that
yeah there will be like severe consequences እንታይ as ብዘላ ሕጂ ግብረ መልሲ is going to be hard okay እቲ ግብረ መልሲ ኣዝዩ ክኸውን እዩ ማለት እዩ so أحوات is okay إذا كان مستعد حراي نجزي خو عرف غلي نابي موف نخاي جورة السجاد زلوا مسيلكم أمريكا إذا خايت أتو بتيك أراشا إذا خايت أتو ده شو نابلني كلار وار نخاي كيا that's all Trump نزي أي protect نزي أي زارة كل شيء alright Trump كل شيء عز بلاز قال زي well we are هجي سألك ناي جبري ناي أجار ناي نفرت ناي قال يكون أنت كنا تقوله ناب nuclear war سجاجر خالص قداي okay that's going to be a big damage it's نخلو damage قبر زخل مالتي easy نكلارات نحمد خاصي نخلو حزبون كتفو زخلي زي انا خيد اعتقد تقالسي مالتي
President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris have convened with senior security officials to talk about how to respond to these Iranian plans to launch the attack itself. We'll be waiting to hear from the White House. Kelly, we're watching all of this unfold as we
well yeah Biden and Kamala Harris can make your own respond خقبرو تزاراريبهم I don't like that to me I decide to كان مالتي so let Israel handle this okay you can support it like كله جنزب خون كالي أخون so we don't want that أحواتنا كيدا عندنا يعني زخون سبايد يعني okay مالت to involve زلوتي كناب كالو زلوتي صعبين زلوتي تشجر مالتي ساتهم اوكي بايدن and Kamala Harris بزع كم يجرم بزع ريسبون يزاروا بندحريزت اليوم انا ازر اشي so I have no idea مالت it's going to be bad
we speak it is 7 hours ahead so 8:03 in Tel Aviv now as we continue to watch the attack against Israel.
Contessa, we're seeing a lot of action up in the sky where the Israeli defense systems are shooting down the missiles where they can. Do we have any reports of missiles striking the ground yet?
I don't have those reports in front of me. I just the
يا زخون مثال up ground كساب هيجي زخون report كم زي بالله تحب زلا من ساب أمرت علبة ويسب قتل زحارم
the shots fired on the ground and explosions reported, but we don't know whether that means just explosions in the sky above these cities or whether any of them have actually found their mark. But we do know that Israel had said it would be prepared for this. But you can see the sheer scope of this and how terrifying that must be on the ground for Israeli citizens. But again, the military says Israel civilians have taken shelter, that they're in bomb shelters right now, riding this out, and the air raids warned them that the rockets were incoming.
Contessa, for now, thank you. Contessa Brewer.
Yeah. So, well, it's just done. أحوات تناي تقندي تهزبي أب shelter كونا لو تي قبل
Now to Shia Kailu of Jeffries to pick up on what Dom was just discussing.
Okay, let's hold it. انتاي كمسلي تقبل ملس خرينا أمر إيران كتقبل زلا ما أسكت ودي أزبل كأب. Let's see what happened. كسب كندي بس حلا بزي حزلو مالتي. Alright, let's see what got this guy's his summary. Well, okay, Iran just launched almost 300 missile, likely short range ballistic missiles. That's right. 2 waves. بكل 2 waves. I heard 4 waves. Okay, no injuries. تقولنا تحاسي ground ولا حنتي يلون. إسرائيل متربية also indicated not okay. Okay, senior na Iranian official انت إلو yeah USA alerted كمزلا مالت yeah of Israel attack beforehand مالت سي أبدأ أسمعكم ما تسمعكم إسرائيل USA is ready. Okay, this is likely so that USA could tell Israel what to expect. Okay, yeah, thank you. بحثيرو I don't like كم تزبل كمان I don't like it. مهنياتو بايدن and Kamala Harris negotiation يقبرالو كم يقدر respond نخد So technically they are Israel cap USA by load عينوتيا. So are they gonna do this? All right. Then and for how long? While Iran gets their show of forces for their allies, Israel, yeah, Israeli USA defense win again too. So Zia what? Okay. Can call it Gabra. Iran تقصل الله almost كسب كل تميت مثال بس حلا so far. ناي ground ما هرمت ولا injury ولا حنتي يلن as of now. Okay, senior general ناي Iran official say انت يتصبزلو بخانة إسرائيل alert جيرو مالو إسرائيل alert خوينا تنجير على إسرائيل كا likely waiting كابي SMM رح تصبلا مالك كمي عينة قبل مرسن ختم اللس مهنات كم يزبل عزيز سيفير وبك عزيز حدا جنيا 5 خون مالك. This is where we at now. أحوات تازلنا عينة بهجي. This is where we at technically. So إسرائيل كأنياتا ناتانهم كزارب قنيو. انت إلو خمسة جبل هوتي حزب الله أزيهم plus the head of NATO ka yeah Hamas and then the head of ka Iran. Okay نزيني alright إذن أوز قارس أكون خيرنا بعد سعود عربون أحوات رشا communicate اللهم ويز بلنا بعد كنا هم زي سعود عرب كمزي كل نجار تغطي اللي خليه. So as of now don't see anything else أحوات. Okay, let's see. Let me get the something updated. Just nothing. Iran, Israel. Just let's get a CNN post. CNN also just summary go by the way. It's a bugger. Okay. As said, تزبلنا. Well, CNN says 180 أنا بتحدث كري أخلص كل 100 مسالس. Okay. USA warn بزعبة قداي مثلا قطعت وهي مالتي she knows that about this. Okay, White House actually briefing her مثلا. Okay. All right. Okay, all right. Let's get it something else. Iran launched missile attack on Israel, but Israel military says no casualties reported. That's good thing. Yeah, that's what the report I got in here. 300. Israel and America officials said nearly 200 missiles were fired toward Israel territories from Iran. Seen in the beginning of Iran missiles. So far, 300 missile بتحي الحوار. Oh, okay. Let's get this. Let me show you. All right, let me show you this. I think so. I wasn't right. All right. Yeah. Israel, let me say this is according. Yeah, see this bottom sentence. What? Look this. Israel, okay, Israel and America officials said near 300 missiles were fired. Look this. USA National Security Advisor Jack Sullivan said in a new conference from the White House that American Navy joined Israel in firing interceptors to shut down inbound missiles. Okay. But America ነዚኦም missiles ተሓዊሳተላ እንታይ ኣዝብ ዘሎ just shut down እዮም ዝገብሮ ዘሎ. That's what this is source right in here guys. Look this. So ናይ American Navy destroy ገብርሎም ነቲ missiles ከምቲ ዝሓለፈ ወርሒ 4 ዝገብሮ ነበሩ ማለት. That's what it says in here. ኣብ ታሕቱ ከላ it doesn't say anything, but according to the source that's what it says. Okay, Tel Aviv missile seems like come in waves and each one straight. Okay, is that just bombs? Okay, explosion. Oh, they're strong, man. I like how the hell is almost like nothing damage. It's just nothing. This is ridiculous. Okay, wow. Okay, yes, I didn't know any days of Israel, but they were monitoring reports of the Palestinian civilians. Okay, this is not Palestine. Okay, yeah. بحثيرو America is إداتي الله تكالا خلط راح زلها جيجن تجبر ملسي. This is the focus we want to know. What is going to be the جبر ملسي? Okay, White House reacts to Iran missile attack against Israel. نحنا تجبر ملسي how it's going to be bad. تعانت جبر ملسي خمس إسرائيل. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, let's focus. كل شيء عن تعيو تهزبي أبتي حوات بوليس. Yeah. أبتون قبطة بق أبتي على زبها البطاطات كله تسب أبتي underground زلوا مقوم بالي. Yeah. It says that Iran like fired roughly 200 ballistic missiles. What is this ballistic missiles? Image. Wow. Let me show you guys. This is got fired قبل عليه Israel. جبرو دينتا إلزلوش وش ما تعيش متقبل الله. Anyway, let me show you how it looks the ballistic missiles. Okay, this is the one. Oh my goodness, I don't know which one is, but this is all missiles. Looks like 200 so far. That's hello. Okay, all right. I'm لخزبي إسرائيل نخل هزبي حلوه ابن إسرائيل قبل ملس ندحر جيرانة هزبي حلوه السلام عليكم دحان مالتي. All right guys, we'll see you later. ندحر زخونا حدش نقدر تليخ المتسينا. I don't think so again. Still إسرائيل focus ناتايو قرب كميجرا قبل ملس قبل ناتايو قرب تأشم زلو. Okay, Iran. ولا اب just اب منيو اب ناي تاشمر زبلكاني اب اكس ولا حنتي حدش نقر يلن. let me show you this.
تجاه الداخل المحتل. الله اكبر ولله الحمد. يعني هذه الصواريخ. الله اكبر ولله الحمد. الله اكبر.
والله let me say this. እዚ ትሪኦ ዘለካ celebrate ኣብ ጋዛ ዝገብርዎ ዘሎ ኣብ ጋዛ ኣብ ፓለስታይን this is bad ማለት this is ሰላማዊ ህዝቢ I don't know why ኣብ ጋዛ ኣብ ፓለስታይን ልዕሊ 200 መሳል ናብ ካብ ኢራን ምግባራ so like Lebanon Syria this is all ከም ሓጎስ እዮም ዝወስድዎ ዘለዉ ሲ
حاليا الصواريخ تنطلق من كل مكان، حاليا صفارات الانذار تشتعل في كل فلسطين، في كل الداخل المحتل، في كل المدن، في تل ابيب وفي عسقلان وفي سديروت وفي كل مدن الداخل المحتل. الله اكبر ولله الحمد. يعني والله هذه المشاهد رجعتنا لايام العز. والله الله اكبر ولله الحمد. يعني ربنا يجعلها يا رب هيك هبه عربيه، هبه جماهيريه، هبه اسلاميه. الله يا رب ينصرنا، الله يا رب ينصرنا يا رب، الله ينصرنا.
قدر بعد دقيقة سي yeah okay alright let's lay okay anyway yeah احوات it's not funny በቃ እዚ ከሐጉሰካ ብሉን ከሐጉስ ነገር ወላ ሓንቲ ጠቅላላ እዩ ዘይብሉ I don't know what ስለዚህ let's see ናይ ዝሓለፈ ኢና ሕጂ የለን just እዚኣታ still ዝረኣናያ ማለት እዩ ቅድሚ ሓደ ሰዓት the war Iran started attacking Israel by missiles looking like World War 3 I don't know ማለት ኩሎም ሕጂ እንታይ looks like ሳልሳይ ኩናት ዓለም እዩ ዝመስል ጥራሕ እዮም ዝብሉ ዘለዉ let's see yeah okay احوات تكون دحن ابديت لي زيت عن تبرير صنحنا كم مجمرات بدحر زاتهم maybe زي احمد كنت خلو this is the مسالس plastic مسالس كم زي لي زخي زلو almost كل تم يتسفر بصحهم كم زلو look this how they are moving forward مالك بالطعمي دمتوني Oh, okay. The Islamic Republic and Iran has targeted Israel army and in positions along the Nazarene exit. Okay, this is. Oh wow! Look this, Sahwat. Look this. This is.
طلع الجور 15 متر يمكن الجور طول. طلع دمر الدنيا الصاروخ. وين؟ طبعا
All right. Back trending and then I told you that like Trump is gonna write something, right? Okay. Like this team up for training like an online battle royale series. The action is online multiple option. Well, second wave ክትገብር ምዃና እዩ ዝሕብር ዘሎ እስራኤል still not done. So okay guys, go ahead ኣብዚ update ግበርዎ እንድሕር ሓድሽ ነገር ተልዩ እንዳሓን ክንምለስና ግን still እስራኤል ንግዚኡ 200 ጥራይ በፂሐ ዘላ. All right, thank you guys. Let's get it done and then we'll see you later. Yeah, thank you. Abzi atikum ra'yo blalo. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. All right, let's get it. Malit حدش ነገር tait malit kala I wave kala I gize khገብret ብል ንሕራ ላ ኮይና እንታይ ኣኸ ትገብር. So the only one is what is Israel going to do? All right, we'll see what happens. Thank you guys. Bye bye.